city like Los Angeles and committed to the daily grind, it is easy to get caught up with work and assignments that has nothing to do with your well-being. It could be from crazy assignments at work, managing your finances, disciplining your kids, coping with stressful relationships. All of these could lead to chronic stress, which I'm a victim of. Don't get me wrong, moderate stress is good for you and that gets me going. In fact, I need a little push to keep me going. But too much of anything, in this case stress, anxiety, can be very harmful for your mental and physical self. I first recognized that I was dealing with chronic stress when I was easily agitated, frustrated, and moody. I was swamped with crazy big assignments at work. I was trying to cope with my own hustles, and I was dealing with frustrating relationships, and this got me overwhelmed, and it felt like I was losing control. I had trouble sleeping, and I was always tired. It wasn't until I started journaling and paid attention to my symptoms is when I recognized that I have to change my lifestyle in order to overcome these negative emotions. Firstly, I learned how to structure my time, and I abolished all excuses that sounded like I don't have time or this is gonna take some time out of my work. Once I did that, I started scheduling some time to exercise. Working out regularly helps me relax my body and mind, and it also helps me improve my mood drastically. I also schedule some time to meditate as I recognize the importance of deep breathing. Finding some times or taking some moments to take a few deep breaths can take the pressure off right away. You'd be surprised. Another way for me to relax is through self-care, hence why I'm in the bathroom. I approach self-care as a ritual, and I try to enjoy every moment of it. From taking showers, from washing your hair, to moisturizing your skin, hair care, skin care, etc. I approach all of this as mindfulness, and this is a form of mindfulness and relaxing for me. I believe that everyone should practice mindfulness, especially if you're trying to regulate stress. Mindfulness may change the activity of the brain that is associated with attention and emotion regulations. And mindfulness is also great for your overall health. It may lower your blood pressure and strengthen your immune system. So if you find yourself in a big city like me, or you're just swamped with stresses of life, I highly recommend you learning how to manage your time and scheduling some self-care time, such as exercising, meditation, or even applying your skincare in the morning or washing it off at night, whatever suits you. So I'm here to say that I'm stressed out and overwhelmed, and that's okay, as long as I know how to manage my stress when I need to. So paying attention to your body, mind, and spirit and giving it what it needs is the best thing you could ever do to yourself in this harsh world we live in today.